Sorry, I'm ubo.
Asukari.
My sma. There's I will show you my I'm eat burger. I'm eat now burger. Yesterday night I'm eat ice cream. Now I'm eat burger. there's a big burger in here. I will surprise you. And this is a burger. Nah, burger. Burger. I'm open this. Oh, nothing because this. I will eat this now. Don't touch. Cause this burger, that's like yesterday vlog. This is not always to me. So I'm eat because I'm not eat now because I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry now. I will show what you gotta see now what's if I'm open here. I cut the step and I will show you what's is inside here or not. Not only because I'm done eating. This is a silopin to my burger. And bye to you. Just wait my vlog always. Thank you.